This video walks you through how to merge duplicate customers in QuickBooks Online. Begin by going to Customers in QuickBooks Online. This opens the customer list where you can review the names already in your file. From here, locate the duplicate customer you want to merge. The key detail at this stage is choosing the duplicate entry, not the customer record you plan to keep. If the names are very similar, pause for a moment and make sure you have selected the correct one before moving on. Once the duplicate customer is open, click Edit. This takes you into the customer details so you can update the name on that duplicate record. You are not changing the customer you want to keep, you are changing the duplicate so that QuickBooks Online recognizes both entries as the same customer. In the customer profile, find the customer display name field. Change that display name so it matches the customer you want to keep exactly. Every word, space, and character should match the existing customer name already in your list. This exact match is what triggers the merge prompt in the next step. If the display name does not match perfectly, QuickBooks Online will not treat the two records as duplicates to combine. After updating the display name, click Save. At this point, QuickBooks Online checks the name you entered against the names already in your customer list. Because you changed the duplicate customer name to one that already exists, a confirmation message will appear. The message will say, "That name is already being used. Would you like to merge the two?" When you see that prompt, click Yes. This confirms that you want QuickBooks Online to merge the duplicate customer into the existing customer record that shares the same display name. Once you confirm, QuickBooks Online combines the duplicate with the customer you chose to keep. Since the merge is based on the exact display name match, it is worth taking care before clicking Yes, especially if you manage several customers with similar names in the same file. If you selected the right duplicate and matched the display name exactly, the merge will complete from that confirmation window. After the merge, the separate duplicate entry will no longer remain as its own customer record in the list. The result is one customer entry instead of two records with the same identity. This helps keep the customer list organized and prevents confusion when working with transactions tied to that customer. The duplicate customer has now been merged into the existing customer record in QuickBooks Online.